Hello students, today's topic is algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. For example, we have to add two numbers a and b and we have to put the value of the sum of two numbers in another variable c. So first we will input the value of a, then we will input the value of b, then we will add these two numbers a to c, and then we will display that result. So this is called an algorithm.
The step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. So planning a program involves defining its logic. The term algorithm refers to the logic of program. So it is a step-by-step description of how to arrive a solution to a given problem. A step-by-step procedure that how we can solve a problem. So it is a sequence of instructions that when executed in the specified sequence gives the desired result. So it is a step-by-step instructions which when we execute these instructions in the order in which it is given, then we will find the desired result. So characteristics of an algorithm: each instruction should be precise and unambiguous. We have very precise and unambiguous instructions. Each instruction should be executed at a finite time. So our instruction should be completed in a finite time. It should not be like that it will go on executing forever. The no instruction should repeat infinitely. This ensures that the algorithm terminates ultimately. So every instruction should not repeat itself infinite number of times. So or algorithm should terminate after a certain time. So after execution the instruction, the desired results are obtained. So after the executing all the instructions of our algorithm, we the result we expected from the algorithm, we should get that result. Features of algorithm: input: there are zero or more values which are externally supplied. So we can input the values to an algorithm which can be no value or one value or more than one value, or at least one output, at least one value produced. So we should get at least one value out of the algorithm. When we execute the algorithm step by step, we should get at least one value from its output. Definedness: each step must be clear and ambiguous. It should be clear and ambiguous. Finiteness: if we trace the step of an algorithm, then for all cases the algorithm must terminate after a finite step. So it should be finite, it should not be infinite. It means when we execute all the cases of the algorithm, it should terminate after some finite number of steps. Effectiveness: each step must be sufficiently basic that it can in principle be carried out by a person using only paper and pencil. In addition, not only each step be finite, it must be feasible. So each step must be basic that we can also find the result using a pen and pencil. If we execute the algorithm in our notebook in a paper and pencil, so we should be able to find the result using the algorithm. Some examples of algorithm are here. For example, we have to find simple interest and amount for some uh, for some money. So as you know, you have read in your mathematics classes that simple interest is equal to principal into rate into time divided by 100, and amount equal to principal principal plus simple interest. So first step is start, then we have to input principal, rate and time. Then our simple interest is principal into rate into time divided by 100. Those what we get from this formula, principal into rate into time divided by 100, we will assign the result to SI, that is simple interest. Then we calculate the amount. Amount is principal plus simple interest, as you already maybe read in your mathematics classes. So amount, the value we got from principal plus simple interest, we will assign that value to amount. Then we display the value of simple interest and amount and stop. This is how we can calculate the simple interest and amount for some money. We take another example. For example, we will write an algorithm to find whether a shopkeeper has gain or loss by selling an item.
If a shopkeeper sells an item, if he has gain or loss, we will find that in this algorithm. So first step is selling price and cost. We will input the selling price and cost price. So if selling price equal to cost price, it means no gain, no loss. So we will display no gain and no loss. Next condition is if selling price is greater than cost, we will sell the item more at more price than we have purchased that item. That is, we got profit. So profit is selling price minus cost price, and we will display this profit here. So next condition is if selling cost price is greater than selling price. So we have purchased the item and we sold that item in less price than we have purchased, then that is loss, and loss is cost price minus selling price. So we will display that loss, and next is stop. This is how we can write an algorithm for finding whether a shopkeeper has gain or loss by selling an item. So this is the step-by-step procedure for finding the result of a certain problem. For any problem, you can write down the step and you can find the result using those steps. This is what I have today in algorithm. Thank you.